Greetings everybody, it is the Yuki once again, giving you guys a little bit of a different video for today. Today we are going to have a little bit of an unboxing. And what are we unboxing today? We're unboxing our brand new headset today. And it is in the box to my right. And we're going to take a look at it in a moment. It is going to be red. I know it's a little bit of an interesting color choice, but that is what is available on sale. So red is the color. We're going to take a look at it in a moment. It is the first time you actually see me move my camera, and I do have some breaking news. I have some news about some stuff. We're gonna talk about that later. So let's go ahead and unbox our new toy, if you will. I'm gonna move my keyboard here. We will return to gaming news tomorrow. Although there might be a test article tonight, so we can test our new toy, our new microphone toy here. Go ahead and I'll open the box in a moment. I have not done an unboxing for a while. This will be new territory. Yes, I am a member of Amazon Prime for the moment, ladies and gentlemen. So, why red? Well, that was the only color choice that is on sale, so might as well go for the sale, they say. They say go for the sale. Go with whatever is on sale so that you don't spend that much money. That's what they say. So some news has broken since today. Apparently more Mario & Rabbids DLC, the last one got announced. It was Rayman. With Rayman, I just read that article. I might break it down tomorrow. Although I plan to break down a test article tonight with our new headset here. So here we go. I think this is pretty good. Packing paper, everybody's favorite. Packing paper. Who needs it? And then obviously our brand new toy. Brand new headset here, right here. Ladies and gentlemen. I'll explain what it is in a moment. So right here is our brand new headset. I'll explain what it is in a moment so that I can get a focus. This is the UG01. It has low latency gaming, searchable microphone. We also have a 3 connection modes, and it's a lightweight design. Also, it is a USB one, so if you like USB like myself, then it is for you. So it's a 360-degree surround sound, as you can see here in the bottom right corner. We also have, it is also compatible with PC, gaming, Xbox 360, PC, and other systems. And you can see the back. We have on the back, it is a professional wireless gaming headset, gaming low battery transmitter, stretchable noise cancelling, low 8 latency esports games, multiple connection mode, and we also have immersive sound and soft protein leather all day for all day comfort, as you can see here. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it now. So I am gonna put my current camera on the top here, so you guys can see me unbox this new thing. So hopefully you guys can still hear me on this one. I raise my volume a little high, put the gain up a little bit. Know what I mean? Just a little bit. Alright, let's go. Unbox this thing. So this will be my, if you count Retro Yuki gaming history, I think this is my second headset. Look at that. Look at that. Right off the box too. So let's take a look at the headset itself. I'm gonna go ahead and close the box. It looks like a raffle box too. Use this for a raffle. Go ahead and close this box. And then later, if I have time, I'm going to like break down an article using our new headset here. I'm not in a hurry. Tomorrow's the big day. For a few reasons, actually. This is the headphones itself. Not too bad. I actually like it. Nice quality, nice touch to it. And we have the cables. We have the cables here. Oops. Fumble. I fumbled it. If I get my own VR headset, I'm gonna do another unboxing. So what we have here, obviously the directions, all that good stuff, upkeep, and we have our cable. When it comes to like the Xbox 360 and all that, I won't need this right now because I use it on PC. We have our charging cable right around here. Very cool design. And we have the USB specifically for PC and Xbox and all that. So let's actually see how they look on me, shall we? For today's little video here. This might be a commentary on itself. I'm gonna put my scissors away just in case. Do not worry, these are not broken. They're actually how they come. And if we take a look at it, that is how they are when it's unfolded. And we can see here, here's where the magic happens. This is where the mic is. Very little sneaky, huh? It was actually hiding right here. So there's this thing right here, it hides. That's pretty neat. That's actually good for storage. That's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna see how they fit on me. And yes, it is red. And before anybody says anything, yes, Crimson Rose is red. Like the character from our Wolf Venture series. And my character has like blue fur. I mean, cyan color fur. And all of a sudden, everybody's gonna say, "Oh wait, I'm a Crimson Rose fan, not a Francis the Wolf fan." We'll see about that. All right, so here is how I look with these on. That is how I look with these on. This is actually not bad. It is actually not as bad as I thought it would be. Pretty neat. actually, for the first time looking at it. Now, obviously, compared to the other one, I still have the other one. I'm gonna tell you it's a mangled mess. Compared to this one, this is the original right here. It's all taped up and all. Okay, I still have the original USB thing to go with it, just in case I need backup. This is still functional, but I'm gonna tell you, it won't be functional for long because of that wire thing. That thing is sticking out. You don't want that. That's very bad. I have it just in case as a backup. But you will see me wearing this red one every time from now on. I actually like it. I like the feel. I like the comfort a bit. Now first, main question now would be, how does it sound? Which is why I might break down an article for the sake of testing. So whatever I'm gonna break down tonight, it's not gonna count because the story that I'm gonna break down is most likely 2 days old by now. So it won't count for anything. I will test out the microphone that way. Okay, that is today's unboxing. Once again, if you guys want to take a look at the product, it's a U01 by CIN Puzen. That is the company of the headset here. Puzen. It's the UG01 headset. It is a USB, also a wired headset, compatible with Xbox, PS5. All those also has a USB dongle, which is this puppy right here, guy. And if you want to have adaptability to other console, you have this thing right here. I'm not gonna use it just because, okay? That's all for our unboxing. I might be coming back with another video tonight just to test it out. Just to test out our new headset here. And I'm gonna test voice mod with our characters, Luna the Wolf, Francis the Wolf, and our Infinite the Wolf. Infinite the Jackal. The Wolf. But you know what I mean. Especially for tomorrow's VR chat. And speaking of VR chat, tomorrow we are going to be in our new world. I just uploaded it for PC and Quest. So it will be our first look into it tomorrow night at 5:30. But for now, we'll see you guys in a bit for another video. We're going to be testing out the new headset. And we're going to be breaking down an old article just to test it out. That's all for now. We'll see you guys in a bit.